everyone. Today we are going to study human male external anatomy. Question 1. What is the primary function of the penis in the male reproductive system? Answer. The primary function of the penis is to deliver sperm into female reproductive tract during sexual intercourse and to excrete urine from the body through the urethra. Question 2. What are the three primary sections of the penis? Answer. The three primary sections of the penis are the root, the shaft, and the glans. Question 3. What is the function of glans penis? Answer. The glans penis is the sensitive tip of the penis that plays a key role in sexual pleasure and serves as the opening for urine and semen to exit the body. Question 4. What is the role of the foreskin? Answer. The foreskin covers the glans penis and can serve a protective function. In males who are not circumcised, it also aids in lubrication during sexual activity. Question number 5. What is the frenulum of the penis? Answer. The frenulum is a small elastic band of tissue located on the underside of the glans penis. It is highly sensitive and plays a significant role in sexual pleasure. Question 6. What is the function of the scrotum? Answer. The scrotum is responsible for regulating the temperature of the testes, keeping them at a lower temperature than the rest of the body for optimal sperm production. Question 7. What are the testes and what is their function? Answer. The testes are male gonads responsible for the production of sperm and the secretion of testosterone, the primary male sex hormone. Question 8. What is the role of the epididymis? Answer. The epididymis is a coiled tube attached to each testis where sperm mature and are stored before ejaculation. Question 9. What is the vas deferens? Answer. The vas deferens is a muscular tube that transports sperm from the epididymis to the urethra during ejaculation. Question number 10. What is the function of the seminal vesicles? Answer. The seminal vesicles produce a significant portion of the fluid that combines with sperm to form semen. Question 11. What is the function of prostate gland? Answer. The prostate gland produces a fluid that nourishes and protects sperm in semen. It also helps in propulsion of semen during ejaculation. Question 12. What is the bulbourethral gland and what is its function? Answer. The bulbourethral glands, also called Popper's gland, secrete a clear, slippery fluid that lubricates the urethra and neutralizes acidic residues from urine during sexual arousal. Question 13. What is the cremaster muscle and what is their role? Answer. The cremaster muscles are located in the scrotum and function to raise and lower the testes to regulate their temperature. Question 14. What is the perineum in males? Answer. The perineum is the area of skin between the scrotum and the anus, which contains muscles important for pelvic floor support and sexual function. Question number 15. What is the pubic symphysis? Answer. The pubic symphysis is a cartilaginous joint that connects the left and right pubic bones at the front of the pelvis. Question 16. What is the mons pubis? Answer. The mons pubis is a mound of fatty tissues above the pubic bone, typically covered in pubic hair in adult males. Question 17. What are the major muscles of the male pelvic region? Answer. Major muscles include the levator ani, the external anal sphincter, and the bulbospongius, which are involved in both sexual function and support of pelvic organs. Question 18. How does the urethra function in males? Answer. The urethra serves as a dual-purpose tube for both excretion of urine from bladder and ejaculation of semen. Question number 19. What is the role of corpus cavernosum in penis? Answer. The corpus cavernosum consists of two columns of erectile tissues that fill with blood during sexual arousal, leading to an erection. Question 20. What is the role of corpus spongiosum in the penis? Answer. The corpus spongiosum surrounds the urethra and helps to keep it open during an erection, ensuring the passage of semen. Question 21. What are the differences between a circumcised and uncircumcised penis? Answer. A circumcised penis has the foreskin removed, exposing the glans penis, while an uncircumcised penis retains the foreskin. Question 22. What is the role of testosterone in male external anatomy? Answer. Testosterone influences the development and maintenance of male external genitalia, including the penis and scrotum, and plays a role in sexual behavior and secondary sexual characteristics. Question number 23. How does the urethra pass through the penis? Answer. The urethra passes through the center of the penis, existing at the tip of the glans, and carries both urine and semen. Question 24. What is the role of the male external genitalia during sexual arousal? Answer. The external genitalia, including the penis and scrotum, undergo physiological changes such as erection and increased blood flow during sexual arousal, facilitating reproduction. Question 25. What are the external characteristics of the male after puberty? Answer. After puberty, males typically develop an increase in the size of the penis, growth of pubic and facial hair, deepening of the voice, and increased muscle mass. Question 26. What is the prepuce in the male external anatomy? Answer. The prepuce is the anatomical term for the foreskin, the fold of skin that covers the glans of an uncircumcised penis. Question number 27. What is an erection and what causes it? Answer. An erection is the process by which the penis becomes engorged with blood, caused by sexual arousal or physical stimulation, which leads to increased blood flow into the corpora cavernosa. Question 28. What is the difference between a physiological and pathological change in male external genitalia? Answer. A physiological change refers to normal developmental changes such as enlargement of the penis during puberty, while pathological changes are abnormal conditions such as penile deformities or infections. Question 29. What structures support the penile erection? Answer. The penile erection is supported by the corpora cavernosa, corpus spongiosum, and smooth muscle tissue, which all facilitate the trapping of blood within the penis. Question 30. What is the normal size range of a male penis? Answer. A typical erect penis ranges from about 5 to 6 inch in length, though size varies significantly among individuals. Question number 31. How does blood flow affect the scrotum and testis? Answer. Blood flow affects the temperature of the testis. Increased blood flow leads to warming, which can impair sperm production, whereas reduced blood flow cools the testis optimizing sperm production. Question 32. What is a hydrocele? Answer. A hydrocele is a fluid-filled sac around the testicle, often causing swelling in the scrotum. Question 33. What is a varicocele? Answer. Varicocele is an enlargement of the veins within the scrotum, similar to varicose veins, which can affect sperm production. Question 34. What role does the pelvic diaphragm play in male external anatomy? The pelvic diaphragm consists of muscles like the levator ani, supports the pelvic organs, and plays a role in sexual and urinary function. Question number 35. What is the function of male external urethral orifice? Answer. The male external urethral orifice is the opening at the tip of the glans penis through which both urine and semen are expelled. Question 36. What is the significance of the male perineum in surgery and sexual health? Answer. The perineum is important in surgery such as prostatectomy and is involved in sexual health due to proximity to muscles involved in erection and ejaculation. Question 37. What is penile curvature and what can cause it? Penile curvature is a deviation in the straightness of the penis which may result from conditions such as Peyronie's disease or congenital differences in penile development. Question 38. How do pelvic floor muscles impact male sexual health? Answer. Pelvic floor muscles including the bulbospongius are vital for controlling ejaculation, urination and sexual arousal. Question number 39. What is testicular torsion and how does it affect the scrotum? Answer. Testicular torsion occurs when the spermatic cord twists, cutting off blood supply to the testicle, causing severe pain and potential loss of the testicle if not treated promptly. Question number 40. What is the primary function of the scrotum? Answer. The primary function of the scrotum is to maintain the testis at a temperature slightly lower than the body temperature, about 2 to 3% lower, which is essential for the production of the healthy sperm. Question number 41. What is the role of androgens in the development of male external genitalia? Answer. Androgens, primarily testosterone, are responsible for the development of male external genitalia such as the penis, scrotum, and the deepening of the voice during puberty. Question number 42. How does the male body regulate its external genital temperature? Answer. The body regulates temperature via scrotum's ability to contract and relax, using the cremaster and dartos muscle to adjust the position of the testes based on ambient temperature. Question 43. What is balanitis and how does it affect the penis? Answer. Balanitis is inflammation of the glans penis, often due to infection, poor hygiene or other irritants, causing swelling, redness and pain. Question 44. How does the perineal body contribute to male sexual function? Answer. The perineal body provides structural support for the pelvic floor, which is essential for controlling erections, ejaculations and continence. Question 45. What is phimosis? Answer. Phimosis is a condition in which the foreskin of the penis cannot be fully retracted over the glans, often present in newborns but may persist into adulthood. Question number 46. What is the role of prostate in male external anatomy during ejaculation? Answer. During ejaculation, the prostate gland contracts to push semen into the urethra where it is expelled from the body. Question 47. How does the testis move in response to temperature changes? Answer. The testes move closer to the body to warm up or lower away to cool down in response to temperature changes aided by the cremaster and dartos muscles. Question 48. What is the role of external anal inspector in male anatomy? Answer. The external anal inspector controls the release of feces from the body, aiding in the regulation of defecation and playing a role in the pelvic floor muscles. Question number 49. How does sexual arousal affect the male external genitalia? Answer. During sexual arousal, increase blood flow to the penis causes an erection while scrotum may tightens as part of the arousal response. Last question. What are the potential risks of the improper hygiene of the male external genitalia? Answer. Improper hygiene can lead to infections such as balanitis, urinary tract infection, and the development of conditions like phimosis or irritation of the foreskin. Thank you.